Hello viewers, you are welcome to our channel once again. I am still Chinedu by name. Today is our pleasure to finally bring Ogidi to you, Ogidi town, Ogidi city, the part of Ogidi that is well successfully integrated with Onitsha metropolis. So that is where we are now. We are right now at Ogidi along Onitsha Owerri Expressway. We are coming up from toll gate. That toll gate side is Obunike town. So, but here is Ogidi. So today we are going to showcase Ogidi to our viewers. But if you have not subscribed to our channel, let's just click on subscription. Let's hear your comments. Like the video, share it. Share it to others that may want to have a look. And that is it. So, like earlier done, we have showcased Ogbaru City, Obosi, the great Nkwele Zunaka. All these places surround Onitsha and they have developed into Onitsha. They are all part of Onitsha metropolis. But today is the turn of Ogidi. So we are right now along Ogidi, the side of the expressway, but we will still show you some part of the interior of Ogidi. You know, Ogidi is a town, it's somebody's village, but it's just that some part of the Ogidi town has, developed into the city. So we are taking you around. This is building material side, building material Ogidi. You know, at a point the government relocated building material down here, but one thing with them is that they may still fail to leave the former sites and they will be operating the two sites. Well, it's best known for the government, but this is the new site Ogidi. It has been here for some years now. Government is pushing some of these markets outside Onitsha so that to decongest Onitsha. Onitsha is becoming densely populated. So this is one of the strategies of the government to reduce the congestion of people within Onitsha itself. So we are moving along Ogidi. So, but in a short time we will be, I think this area now is part of Mpo, because Ogidi and Mpo has a common boundary. They have common boundary. You may not even know when you have entered Mpo Ogidi if you are not familiar with this area. And the one we are saying is we are giving you estimate the area we know that is part of which town and which town. So that is it. We are still moving along the expressway. Shortly we are going to turn. Okay, now this place now is inside Ogidi. The road that pass through Ogidi village. This one is Enugu Onitsha highway. This is Enugu. This is not the expressway. This is the highway. But we are coming back towards Uguasike area because we thought it twice, to just cover some part of this highway we are still going to move to the other side to have a look of how that side is. This is Ugwuasike. If you know this area, that light, that hand that carries the light of the nation. So, but this road connects highway, Onitsha highway to express. You see, this is the road that connects the Ugwuasike road. If you want to bypass the old road to join express, you just follow here. But one thing is that this place is fast developing. You can see structures, tall buildings up there. You know, some years back, it's not like this. You don't see much building, but now it has developed so much that it has even formed part of the mega city that we are talking about. It's just that the road needs some touches, you know, to put it up to standard once again. But still, this place is a busy place. The road is a busy road. And why it's even like this is because the rain just finished dropping. So, but if hold up catch you along this area, you will hate yourself. So, but that is it. You can see inside all those interior places that has been developed. Buildings here and there, you know. So this is the road that leads to the express, connects the express from the old road. That's what we call it, old road. So, but we have some things we will tell you about Ogidi. So don't be in a rush. Some other things we will explain as regards Ogidi. So come along with me. I will show you and I will explain some things to you. You know, Ogidi is an interesting town that, you know, that is great to the people of Anambra State. Likewise, every other town. So, let's explore some areas of Ogidi, and you understand why it's part of Onitsha metropolis. Though not all part of Ogidi, some of the developed parts, like I've shown you along the expressway, and most part of this area is fast developing. But the issue now is that, you know, the public infrastructures are not meeting up to the fast development of the private sector. And that shows, that cause for concern anyway. But never mind, we that are the masses, we are not directly involved in running the affairs of the state. So the people in charge knows best what to do. So by my left there is, you know, building materials. Part of the building materials international market is a very large market. Most markets you see around these areas and so on. They are international market and very large. This is building materials market. There is nothing you look for you will not get here. Be it imported items or locally made, everything you are looking for is here. Even the quantity you want, they are all available, both left and right. So that is it. If you ask me, this part of the road may need a solid construction because the usage is, it houses high traffic, have high vehicular traffic. Let me put it that way. So, but having passed through that place, we are back on the express. This area now, they are all Ogidi. You see this area. This is along the expressway. Ogidi. So many transportation companies in particular. This is where they have their base. Most of these, articulated vehicle, big companies that, runs all these articulated vehicles. This area, they have their base. So that's why you see a lot of articulated vehicles there. Tankers, trailers, buses, and so on. Trucks. This area is their base. And some other companies too. So, but if you follow this road down, you are going to meet Nkwele. You are going to meet Nkwele Zunaka by the left. You see how the thing is joining now. Look at the building down there. You see? So we are still moving along the expressway. All this area is Ogidi. So, but this place now we are now is Mpo, but Mpo is very close to Ogidi. So this is the flyover. This is New Pass flyover. We try to make a U-turn so that people will see all these areas we are talking about very well. It will not be like we show you some parts, we did not show you some parts. So we try as much as possible to cover this area as it's supposed to be. We are on top of the flyover, New Pass flyover. By the right there is New Pass Market. That's where you buy vehicle pass, New Pass. So, but like I said earlier, said I will make some statements as regards Ogidi. That name Ogidi has a meaning. Ogidi means pillar. Pillar. That's the meaning of Ogidi. So, but just like I told you, we turned and try to move down again so that you see both sides of Ogidi very well. So we don't serve you half chop. So, but just like I said earlier, if you are not careful, you may not know the boundary. We too, we are just using our understanding and, there is no particular place I will now say that this is the boundary. No, but we know that boundary is somewhere after this pedestrian bridge that's moving down to Ogidi once again. After this pedestrian bridge, a bit down on those side, Ogidi is moving towards the building material market. So, but then you say that Ogidi is an Igbo speaking town and the headquarters of Idemili North Local Government Area, Anambra State of Nigeria. So you know that Obosi, Mpo, they all belong to Idemili North Local Government. And this Ogidi now is the headquarters of this local government. But I will show you the location of the headquarters. It's not along this expressway, it's inside, along the Enugu Onitsha Old Road. So I will show you when we get there. Then we say that Ogidi shares boundaries with neighboring towns like Abatete, Mbo, Omunachi, Umuoji, Obunike, and Umudioka. These are towns that Ogidi has boundaries with in Anambra State. So having said that, like I promised, we are going inside to have a look of some other places anyway. Like I said, I'll show you the local government headquarters, then the Yenu hospital, though we don't know, we are not sure where the Yenu hospital belongs, whether it's Ogidi or somewhere else, but it's along that Ogidi axis. So these places will just pass through them so that we all have a look of that area. See the other side of building materials market. This is an international market, very large market. The market is very large. There is nothing you are looking for here. You cannot get it. The quantity you are looking for, you will get it. So that is it. Now we are going to pass through the Uwasike Road pass through this road. The road is not that friendly, but probably constant use. This road is a very busy road, so we're going to pass through it down to Guwasike roundabout. All these left and right are all business area, but the main market is by the right. It's a very large area of land there and fully occupied. The buildings there are upstairs. The market itself, they are all upstairs. The only thing needed this area is to have this road reconstructed and give it a better look. And the quality of the construction too matters also, because of the heavy traffic and the type of vehicles that apply this road. The quality has to be looked into. So, but we can't do otherwise. This is the only route that can connect us within this area to the highway behind. So we just left Onitsha Express way, moving towards Onitsha Old Road. So you can see why we say that this place is part of Onitsha metropolis. The area is fast turning into a big city and part and parcel of Onitsha. So people are coming this area to build their houses and to establish their businesses. So like all these places inside, they are fully built up areas. So but however, ours is just to pass through the road to connect the other side. And all these parts, all this area, they are part of Ogidi. So, but just shortly, we are going to cross over to the other side and meet with the Onitsha Old Road. So, like I said earlier, I'm going to chip in some things about Ogidi. So that Ogidi is best known for the July annual YangaLife festival. You know, this side we are now is a kind of, it's for general usage. It's not, there are some villages inside, so we'll go to that side. These are the places that the festivals are being practiced. It's not this part of Ogidi. This place has been urbanized, but inside the villages is where I'm talking about. They have their annual July YangaLife festival. It's an 11-day festival that takes place after cultivation of yams. Then the other very significant component of the festival is the offer of prayer. We are now along the Onitsha Old Road, so we'll move down towards. No. We took the other side of the road. You know, there are two. The other one is Old Road. This one is the one that leads inside Ogidi, the other part of Ogidi. Then if you follow it down, you get to other towns, along that area. Okay? So the road that leads to Alo, Umoji and the rest, and not the other Old Road. But we'll still come down to Old Road. Then, having said that, we are talking about the YangaLife festival that it's not just to do YangaLife festival, that when the festival is on, after the planting of yams, they do offer prayers for a good season as part of the festival. It usually starts on the first Friday of the month of July. The festival is usually marked with fun fair featuring displays of different categories of masquerades. The YangaLife festival. So, having said that, just be watching and be looking around. You see how Ogidi looks like. It's a village. This part is the village part of Ogidi. We have left the developed part of Ogidi, as in the part that is integrating with Onitsha, more in those areas. But this part is purely the village part of Ogidi, inside Ogidi. but never mind, we'll just move some distance inside, then we'll turn back, then we'll go towards the local government side along Enugu Onitsha Old Road, Yenu Hospital side, then we'll come down again. So about having said that, there are some people, notable people from Ogidi. There is one that is very popular, but he is late now. But it's good that I mention the person. That is a world-class personality that is well known to the world. Then, if you have not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscription button. Let's hear your comments. Share this video. The people interested can watch with you. Don't keep it to yourself alone. Then, the person I'm talking about is late Chinua Achebe. Chinua Achebe. The town is the birthplace of internationally known author Chinua Achebe, the foremost in Nigeria. Chinua Achebe is from Ogidi. That's his place. If you don't know, you know it now. Then I will mention probably one or two other persons. The person of Catherine Uju Ifejika Ni Ibeze is a Nigerian lawyer and the chairperson stroke chief executive officer of Britannia U Nigeria Limited. The company has to do with oil. So, but I think I will just leave it at that. So, but we are moving down to, almost towards the boundary of Ogidi and Mpo along Old Road. This is by the right now is local government. Idemili, not local government headquarters. Ogidi, you can see it. It's boldly written by the right there. This is local government headquarters of Idemili North. Local government headquarters of where Obosi belongs, where Mpo belongs. This is the headquarters. Okay, so we'll still move down a bit, see how that area looks like. Then we're gonna make a U-turn somewhere down there before Afompo Junction. So we are still very much within Ogidi that's where we are now. So you can see that we've taken, this is Yenu Hospital. Yenu Hospital is Yenu Hospital. And that is it. I think it was the government of PO that gave it a facelift to that hospital. He upgraded the hospital a lot. So, and that is it. So we've just want to explore this area both left and right. That is still Iyenu Hospital. Can have a closer look at it. This is it, Iyenu Mission Hospital. It was PO that upgraded it during his own tenure. The same thing with Chukwuemeka Odumegwu General Hospital in Oka. I remember vividly then. So, but just keep, watching the video, keep exploring. I will not be talking too much. I will allow you to do your watching and your observations. Or if there is need for me to chip in one or two things, I'll still chip it in. This area we decided to move down a bit towards Ogidi market as Afo Ogidi. Towards that market, we see area command by the left. So, but we are not going to reach towards that market. We'll do another U-turn and start coming back, because Ogidi is a very large town, so there is no way we'll just cover everywhere in the village within our limited time. So we'll just give you some few places that you would like to see. I hope it augurs well with you. So, and that is it. You're still moving down towards the area command in Ogidi and down towards the market. So this is the area command Ogidi police station by the left. So we are going to move up shortly. We'll turn. So we have turned and left that place. This road now is the other part of Ogidi, the other road that leads to Abatete Junction. So we just move from from one place to the other to get you informed, to show you what you want to see. As we are following this road straight, we'll bust out at Ogunwasike roundabout. So we are back to the express, and gradually we are nearing conclusion. So, but we are going to show you at least how the connection, the relationship between Onitsha and Ogidi, the connection. So we are adding the movement from Ogidi towards that Bromi roundabout, down to Opiweka, so that you have the entire connection of this Ogidi town.